Good morning to one and all. Today, let us learn about the power of subconscious mind. Yeah, we have two types of brains. One is conscious brain and the other is subconscious. For example, if you are learning a new skill, like for example, you are learning how to ride a car or you are learning how to ride a bike, your whole focus will be on how to make it move, what are the things we have to monitor and all. At that time, our subconscious mind will do things like breathing, and it will monitor how the blood is flowing through our body and all. So conscious mind is the master, subconscious mind is the slave. What all you give to your conscious mind, the subconscious mind accept it, and it will follow its instruction, and it is like just like slave. You have told something, it will obey you. If you tell you are good, it will give you good. If you tell you are wrong, it will give you the wrong or bad thing only. Okay, now we know what is conscious mind and what is subconscious mind. Now let us think. Major scientists have used the subconscious mind's power to get great things done. One scientist, like Kekulé, while discovering the formula of Bunsen ring, he has seen in his dream like a snake eating its tail. So it's forming a ring-like thing, no? So from that, the Bunsen ring formula has been gained. Not only Kekulé, even Newton, while sleeping under the tree, when apple fell on his head, at that stage, his brain was in subconscious condition. It gave it a thought, and law of gravity was formed. Not only this, many inventions, many discoveries have happened to scientists in their dreams only. And because in our dreams, the subconscious mind will be awake. It will not be sleeping. Only conscious mind will rest. Subconscious mind will monitor everything in sleep. It will monitor everything. So let's use the power of subconscious mind for our goodness, for making something better with our lives. So I will share you 3 points with which you can use them to make things better for you. First point is thoughts are things. Give proper thinking to your subconscious mind. Tell consciously to your subconscious mind that everything happening is good. Tell your subconscious mind that you can find ways to deal with it, because subconscious mind will be busy after you tell consciously that you can find ways. Subconscious mind will create ways. So what all you want to be with you, tell your subconscious mind, tell consciously to your subconscious mind, I need this, I need that. Tell all, give the statements to subconscious mind, and it will search the ways, it will find the methods by which we can reach to our goal. So always have positive things. If you say nothing happens to me, something wrong will happen, it's like that only, your subconscious mind will say yes, it's like that only, nothing will happen, life will just pass. So don't tell anything negative to your subconscious mind. What all you say it positive. Okay, second thing is like hypnotism. Hypnotism is kind of jadoo. Yes, jadoo only. See, in hypnotism means the professional hypnotist will take you or any patient who is willing to go to him to a stage in which that patient will act according to the hypnotist. If the hypnotist tell to a hypnotized patient that his nose will bleed now, it will bleed right at that point only. If the hypnotist tell you that in hot summer that you are at 0 degrees centigrade, your bodies will start to freeze at 0 degrees centigrade. So hypnotism is a skill. There are many professional hypnotists going on. So take that skill, use for your benefit. Apply the skill for your subconscious mind. Before sleeping every day, give it a statement to your subconscious mind like, you have to work on this. Next day you will have to find joy and happiness. Something like that. Tell for next morning I have to do this, all these. Tell to your subconscious mind and sleep. The next day you will see lots of difference in your way of working and all. It has been told by many authors, and it is practiced by many successful people. Third thing is faith. Have faith. Belief and faith will create wonders. Even if you are having toughest challenges, even if you are struggling with all the responsibilities, you have to have a belief, you have to have a faith that you will have the dream life one or the other day, and you have to go on by making ways to get it. And these are the effective three things for me regarding the power of subconscious mind, which helps me to keep going. And I have shared with you. If you feel that these are helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.